Start. The High Court, therefore, cannot review such an order, passed by itself in exercise of its revisional jurisdiction, even under section 561A, Criminal Procedure Code, because the High Court possessed no inherent power to review its judgment even before the amendment of 1923, when section 561A was introduced in the Criminal Procedure Code. Consequently, it cannot be said that section 661A either modifies the provisions of section 369 or clothes the court with any fresh power so as to entitle it to alter or review its own judgment in a criminal case, once it has been pronounced and signed, except in the case mentioned in section 389, Criminal Procedure Code. The Supreme Court in another case, has no application to the present case. Appellant, in that case, preferred an appeal to the High Court of Judicature at Bombay against his conviction and sentence under the Bombay Prohibition Act. His appeal was summarily dismissed by a bench of that court. After the dismissal of that appeal, the State of Bombay made a criminal revision application to the High Court for enhancement of the sentence. Notice having been issued to the appellant under section 439, Criminal Procedure Code, the appellant claimed his right under section 439 of the code to show cause against his conviction also. The High Court, however, did not think fit to make any order for enhancement of the sentence. The High Court granted leave to the appellant to appeal to the Supreme Court under Article 134 of the Constitution of India. The question for consideration before the Supreme Court was, whether the summary dismissal of the appeal preferred by the appellant precluded him from taking advantage of the provisions of section 439, Criminal Procedure Code when he was subsequently called upon to show cause why the sentence imposed upon him should not be enhanced. It was held by the Supreme Court that the right which is conferred on the accused of showing cause against his conviction under section 439, Criminal Procedure Code is a right which accrues to him on a notice for enhancement of sentence being served upon him, and he is entitled to exercise the same irrespective of what has happened in the past, unless and until, there is a judgment of the High Court already pronounced against his conviction after a full hearing. The appeal of the appellant was, accordingly allowed, and, the order of the High Court was set aside, and the matter sent back to the High Court with a direction to show cause against the conviction and dispose of the matter accordingly. In the present case, no notice under section 439 was at all issued, because the case did not reach that stage. It was dismissed for non-compliance with a peremptory order of the court. To such a case, the Supreme Court decision, so far as its actual decision goes, will have no application. The question, therefore, for our consideration is, does section 369 or section 430 Criminal Procedure Code bar the inherent jurisdiction of the High Court to restore a criminal revision application, which has been dismissed for default?